Hello children, this is your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter 3, that is formula and functions. So let's get started. One of the important attributes of Excel is its ability to perform calculations either using a formula or a function. जो सबसे important attribute है Excel का वो क्या है? Ability to perform calculations. इसमें हमारी calculations easily and automatically हो जाती हैं. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these all kinds of calculation can be performed in Excel automatically using the formulas and functions. So let us see what are the formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, etc. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. A formula is an expression that can include cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Using it, we can perform simple as well as complex calculations. We must begin with a equal to symbol followed by cell references and operators. It may contain a few or all the mentioned elements. References. What are references? A cell or range of cells that you want to include in your calculation is called reference, like A1, A2. And what are operators? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. These all are used in calculation, so they are called operators. And what is constants? Numbers or test value that do not change. They are called constants. And functions? Functions are the predefined formulas. We will discuss about it later. Now let us discuss about the formulas. As I have told you that formulas are used for calculations. And what are the elements in formula? The first element is equal to symbol. It must start with equal to symbol. Next thing is cell address. As you can see here, A2, B2, C4, these are the addresses of cell. These are called cell address or cell reference. And plus, minus, multiply, divide, these are mathematical operators. And sum, this is a function, which is predefined function in Excel. Okay. So these are the elements of formulas. Now let us see how to create a basic formula in Excel. Let us use it to calculate the sum of the numbers in B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7 and display the result in B8. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ numbers होंगे B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 में और हम लोग उनको ऐड करके B8 में डिस्प्ले करेंगे. So you can see यहाँ पे हमने सारे months डाल दिए हैं, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून और इधर दिस साइड वी हैव पुट द सेल्स 1000, 2000, ये सारी हमारी सेल्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज 1000 का सेल एड्रेस क्या है? डेट इज B2. B इज द कॉलम नंबर एंड 2 इज द रो नंबर, सो द एड्रेस इज B2. ओके. एंड 2000 का एड्रेस क्या है? B3. देन 300 का B4. सो दिस वे वी हैव टू ऐड दीज ऑल द सेल्स एंड वी हैव टू डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट इन B8. सो we have put the formula equal to B2 plus operator से क्या होगा? sum होगा. then B3, the next address cell is B3, so we will write B3, then B4, then B5 plus B6 plus B7. this is the formula and we will put the enter key. okay, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? enter key press कर देंगे. After you will press the enter key, you will get the result, that is 18,900. ये कहाँ पे आया हमारा? B8 में. Okay. Now let us have a quick view. To copy the formula from the above cell, press Ctrl plus apostrophe. Okay. Now let us see how to use a compound formula. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform a calculation. Let us use it to calculate the simple interest using the formula PRT divided by 100. So compound formula क्या है? That is a formula in which more than one operator. यहाँ पे more than one operator plus के अलावा minus भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, multiply भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Then that is called compound formula. यहाँ पे हम लोग एक formula यूज़ करेंगे, simple interest calculate करेंगे, principal amount, rate of interest, time अगर दिया है, then the formula is PRT divided by 100. Okay. सो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट दिया हुआ है सेल B2 में. वी विल राइट इक्वल्स टू B2, देन मल्टीप्लाइड विद रेट, दैट इज मल्टीप्लाई एस्ट्रिक साइन एंड दैट इज B3. and then multiply it by the time, that is 3, which is cell B4. So multiply B4 and divide operator is this. Put the divide operator and then 100. So, and you will press the enter key and get the answer in cell B6. Okay, so these kind of formulas in which more than one operator is used, that is called compound formula. Note that the result appears in the cell but the actual formula is visible on the formula bar. Okay. We can also perform addition on characters and string data type. Except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication allowed on the string data type. Means test value पे addition हो सकता है but subtraction, multiplication, division is not allowed. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग addition करके देखेंगे test values पे using the ampersand sign. Ampersand sign होता है and sign, इसको use करके we do the addition in 2 or more test values. This is called concatenation. Okay, let us understand this with an example. Okay, enter any string test value in cell A1. A1 में हमने kips लिख दिया and suppose in B1 we have written India. Now in cell C1 we have to add these kips and India. इन दोनों को हमें add करना है. Then we will write the formula equal to A1 and %B1 and press the enter key. ठीक है, ये दोनों हमारे add हो गए. You can see this is called concatenation. C1 में हमारा kips India आ गया but there is no space. Okay. So you can add a space between the joint values by enclosing single space with quotation mark. For example, in the above case, what we will write for the space? Equals to A1 ampersand inverted commas in the space, then ampersand B1 will yield the result as kips space India. Okay, so this way we can add 2 or more string values. Now let us see what is a cell range. A range is a group of continuous cells which form the shape of rectangle. It can be a group of 2 cells or as big as the entire worksheet. You can specify a range by writing the starting cell address following by the ending cell address, both separated by a colon sign. For example, C1 colon C10. It indicates a range starting from cell C1 ending till C10. तो सेल रेंज क्या है? अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स. एक जो हमारे कंटिन्यूस बहुत सारे सेल्स हैं उनको आप जब बताते हैं, डेट इज कॉल्ड सेल रेंज. लाइक C1 से C10 तक, C1 colon C10. ओके, सो हाउ टू सिलेक्ट अ रेंज. हम सेल रेंज को कैसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे? हम सबसे पहले फर्स्ट सेल पे सिलेक्ट करेंगे, क्लिक करेंगे, देन लेफ्ट माउस बटन को दबा के रखेंगे, माउस को नीचे की तरफ ड्रैग करेंगे, ये सारे हमारे सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. और वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट द फर्स्ट सेल एंड देन प्रेस द शिफ्ट की एंड देन सिलेक्ट द नेक्स्ट सेल. इस तरह से हमारे सेल्स क्या होते हैं? सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं. Select the first cell and then press the F8 and then select the last cell. This is another way to select the cells. To stop extending the selection, press F8 key. अगर हम चाह रहे हैं हम लोग माउस को ड्रैग करते जाएं, सिलेक्शन ना हो, then we will press F8 key. Okay, now see how to use a cell range in a formula. Type the data as shown in the figure. हम सारा डेटा टाइप कर लेंगे. उसके बाद हमें B8 में फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हैं इक्वल्स टू सम ब्रैकेट में B2 टू B7. मीन्स सम होगा B2 से लेके B7 तक. B2 से B7 तक जितने भी सेल्स हैं उन सब का सम हमारा यहाँ पे B8 में डिस्प्ले हो जाए. ओके, सो दिस मच फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.